So first is FCFS example 1. There are three processes, all are arriving at time 0 with burst time as shown. So what do you mean by arrival time? Arrival time. Arrival time is the time for the process, the time taken for the process to arrive in the ready queue. To arrive in the ready queue is called as the arrival timer. And what do you mean by the burst time? Burst time is nothing but the unit of time to complete the execution of the process, to complete the execution of the process is called as the burst timer. So if this is the example, there are three processes, all are arriving at time 0. That means your arrival time for all processes is time 0. That means all are arriving in the ready queue at time 0 with the burst time as shown. Process O is arriving at 0 is arriving at burst time 24. So that means it takes 24 units to complete its execution in the CPU. Then process 1 takes 3 units to complete, process 2 takes 3 units to complete. So FCFS is a non-preemptive scheduling. That means till the process 1 does not complete its execution, process 2 and 3 cannot arrive in the CPU. They will be only in the ready queue. So we have three processes. Process 1, process 2 and process 3. Process 0, process 1, process 2 all are present inside the ready queue at arrival time 0. Arrival time 0. Okay. So we'll first draw the Gantt chart. The start is very important. Half the sum is solved if the start is done correctly. So we have P0 sec is the arrival time for P0. How much time it takes for its completion? It takes 24 units for its completion. So from 0 till 24 it is present in the CPU and it will complete at 24. Then P0 will be removed from the ready queue. Next present in the ready queue is P1. So P1 will arrive and P1 takes 3 units to complete. So 24 plus 3 is 27. So P2 will complete at 27 units. So P2 will also now leave the ready queue. Now which one is present? P1 will leave the ready queue. Now which one is present? P2 is present in the ready queue. So P2 will be here. How much time it will take for its completion? 3 unit is there. So 27 plus 3 is 30. So this is the Gantt chart. And now P2 will also be leaving the ready queue because all processes have come. So we know the processes. Arrival time is 0. Burst time we have come to know, and completion time is what for the processes? P0 completion time is 24. For P1 completion time is 27 and for P2 completion time is 30. So after we get completion time, we have to find turnaround time. Turnaround time is completion time minus arrival time. Turnaround time is completion minus arrival time. So arrival time is 0. So for all, the turnaround time will be same as the completion time. And then you have waiting time. Waiting time. Waiting time is nothing but turnaround time minus the burst time. Turnaround time is 24. 24 minus 24 is nothing but 0. 27 minus 3. 24 and 30 minus 3. 27. So this is the waiting time. Average will be 0 plus 24 plus 27 divided by 3. Here it will be 24 plus 27 plus 30 divided by 3. So this is the sum. So first you will see the arrival time. What is the arrival time? The time taken for the process to arrive in the ready queue. Since in this sum all the processes are arriving at time 0, so all the processes will be present already in the ready queue. Burst time is how much time it will require for the execution to complete inside the CPU. So for P0 it takes 24 for the process to complete. For P1 it takes 3 unit time for the process to complete. So 24 plus 3 is 27. For P2 it will again take 3. So 27 plus 3 is 30. So you get the completion time from the Gantt chart. So turnaround time is nothing but completion minus arrival, and waiting time is turnaround time minus the burst time.